Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by turning off the circuit breaker that supplies the bathroom lighting. Confirm the circuit is 120V and usually on a 15A breaker. Use a non-contact voltage tester to verify power is off at the fixture. Set up a stable 6-foot stepladder and wear gloves and safety goggles for protection. Remove the bulb and any glass shade to make the fixture lighter. Estimate fixture weight around 10 pounds to plan a safe two-handed support. Support the fixture with one hand or a second person before loosening hardware. Remove 2 canopy screws to lower the fixture and expose the wiring and mounting bracket. Identify the 3 wires clearly as black hot, white neutral, and bare or green ground. Photograph the connections for reference before disconnecting any wires. Uncap wire nuts and separate the conductors slowly to avoid strain on the cable. If you see aluminum wiring or damaged insulation, after removal, individually cap each conductor with an appropriately sized wire nut for safety. Fold the wires neatly back into the box, leaving about 3/4 inch of sheath visible at the entrance. Secure a blank cover plate over the box, using the mounting screws to protect the wiring. Restore power at the breaker and use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm the circuit is live and safe. Dispose or recycle the old fixture according to local regulations, and call a professional for aluminum wiring or other concerns.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.